Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Vinuthan Godabia from grade 8.
I'm Madhura Anil from grade 8.
We are from School of India, K. Today, we are going to present a model called as Smart Transportation.
Smart transportation refers to the use of advanced technologies to enhance road safety and to improve driving convenience.
Materials required are a robomotor, two buzzers, some switch, LED circuit, breadboard, and some sensors, and some 9 volts battery.
Advantages of smart transportation: improved safety. It reduces accidents through real-time monitoring. Environmental benefits: lower emission through hybrid vehicles, optimizing routes and reduced fuel consumption. Economic growth. It creates new business opportunities for youth and unemployment will be reduced.
Now, I'll show you how it works. This is a mountain tunnel. As you know, in mountain tunnels there are so many curves. Some people come in more speed and they get accident. For that purpose, we here have the accident alert button. When anything happens inside the tunnel, the person who is able to come will come and press this button. When we press the button, when anyone presses this button, the alarm buzzer will shout and that message directly goes to the control room and the people comes to rescue. Here's the hospital. And here we have the water tunnel. As you know, in so many other countries, water tunnels have been developed, but not in India. Water tunnels are very important. As you know, some short routes are from the water tunnel. When the water tunnel is there, the person who is near to the water, they can go from there only. And here we have the vertical wind. Vertical wind. As you know, when the wind comes, it will rotate. When it rotates, the electricity would be also produced. This is the smart dustbin. When you throw more and more waste to this dustbin, the buzzer will on because when the more waste is there, the sensor will detect and the electricity would be also produced. This is solar charging station. When an EV car goes and stands below this solar charging station, the EV car gets charged automatically by radiations. And this is railway line. This will work with not only the battery but also from the solar electric EV car charger, as you can see. This not only works from battery. When the solar charging station, when there is no car is in the station, the solar panel will give charge to the battery. From the battery, this traffic light would be also produced. We have also developed a website, Smart Transportation Solution in KRPET. As you can see, this website is created because some people don't know about our model and our innovations. So to get information about our model, they can sign into our website and get more information about it.
Smart transportation system transform the way we travel by making transportation safer, more efficient and